Good morning. I'm Dr. Dhaval. I'm the in charge of Blood Center, Manipal Hospital, Goa. So today I'll talk about, in the brief, about the apheresis technology. Apheresis technology basically is you can remove whatever blood component you want from the body. So our blood has different type of blood components: RBC, WBC, plasma, platelets. In WBC also there are certain types of WBCs. So via this apheresis machine, we can extract whatever blood component we want, which is very high quality product, and it helps to treat so many conditions. And we are very proud that Manipal Hospital, Goa has started this apheresis center first time in whole Goa state. So this is the apheresis machine which helps to remove all the different type of blood component, and it also helps to treat in the treatment of blood cancer, because we do the bone marrow transplant with this machine only.
How much time will it require?
So all the procedures take different type of times. So platelet donation, which is mainly used for dengue and cancer conditions, which takes around 1 hour. Bone marrow transplant, when we have to extract the stem cells, it takes around 4 to 5 hours. But it is a very light procedure, and it is very safe procedure.
How helpful will be in other processes?
So whenever there is a case of dengue or a cancer patient whose platelet count is very low, platelets can be given. There are two types of platelets. One is a small packet of platelet, which is called random donor platelet, which is prepared from a normal blood donation. Another platelet which is prepared is a single donor platelet, which is prepared on that machine. The platelet which is prepared from the machine is equal to 8 to 10 units of small packets. The quality of this platelet is very high because it is prepared on the machine. The count of the platelet inside the product is very good, and we have experienced that whenever we use this single donor platelet, the count in the patients goes very high, and it stays in the patient also for very long time.
Dr. Sagar said you can do it every
Yes,
twice a week.
understood. So donation criteria of this platelet is different than normal blood donation. When you do normal blood donation, you can do again the donation after 3 months for males, 4 months for females. But once you do platelet donation, that single donor platelet donation, you can donate platelet against after 72 hours. That is 3 days. The reason is platelets are very fast recovering thing. Once you donate it, within 24 hours, it replenishes. And it is a very light product. That's why you can donate this more frequently than normal blood donation.
हे अफरेसिस मॅशीन एक्चुली आमकां सगळ्यांत चड आमी ताजो वापर केलो ड्युरींग कोवीड टायम केन्ना तेन्ना प्लाझ्मा दिवपाची गरज आशिल्ली तेन्ना वी यूज टू डू दॅट व्हेरी ऑफन. ताजे पयलीं आमी हाडिल्लें मशीन, सो वी कूड यूज इट व्हेरी वेल. दुसरें आतां आमी तें वापरता तें डेंगू हातून, बिकॉज डेंगून आतां कितकेशेच पेशंट्स आसा आनी कावंट सामके 10,000, 11,000, 15,000 बी अशें पावता की आमी मातशें हे सिंगल डोनर प्लेटलेट इज व्हेरी एफिशियंट, फास्ट रिकवरी जाता पेशंटाची. आनी एज ही हॅज टोल्ड 8 टायम्स, म्हणजे ती इज एक बाटली तुका दिता न्ही, तातूंत कांय फरक पडना. हातून 8 बाटली तसल्यो दिल्ल्या भशेन जाता प्लेटलेटच्यो. आनी प्लस दीस इज फ्रेश सारकें, म्हणजे आमकां जाय तेन्ना आमी ताका ड्रेन करतात, त्या पेशंटाक न्हिदोवपाचें 1 वरभर रावचें पडटा, आनी देन ताका बाकीचे सगळे ब्लड कंपोनंट परते ते पेशंटाक वता. सो पेशंट इज एब्सोल्युटली हेल्दी. तुका जाय तितकेच काडपाचें, बाकीचे सगळे ताका नॉर्मल प्लाझ्मा, WBC बी सगळ्यो परते ताज्यो भितर गेल्यो. ओन्ली थिंग इट टेक्स टायम. हांगा कशें 15 मिनटांनी जाता, हें अबावट 1 वरभर लागता. आनी इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट ऑफ दीस इज दॅट प्लेटलेट्स तुवें दिल्यो न्हय, विदीन 72 आवर्स तूं परत दिवं शकता. हें ब्लड डोनेशन तुका एकदां केलें की 3 म्हयने दादल्यांनी आनी 4 म्हयने बायलांनी लागता. हातून तुका म्हणजे आठवड्याक 2दां सुद्दां दिवंक मेळटा. सो तुजो एक कोण रिलेटीव बरो ना जाल्यार आयज दिलें तुवें आनी तूं बरो आसलो परत 3 दिसांनी तुका गरज आसा जाल्यार 3 दिसांनी तुका दिवंक मेळटा. सो दॅट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट इफ, आनी यू गेट फ्रेश सारकें, म्हणजे गुड क्वॉलिटी.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.